All right, guys, so in this video, we're going to be adding and subtracting monomial expressions, okay? And we do this by combining like terms, all right? And when you combine like terms, the exponents will not change, okay? So when I add 3x squared and 5x squared in just a second, the exponent's not going to change, okay? That's going to be 8x squared, all right? All right, so we've got 3 examples here. We're going to go through these, and then you've got some practice problems to follow up. All right, so we're going to look at this, expression here, okay? And I'm going to color code the like terms. So we've got the x squares here in red, we've got the x terms here in navy blue, and then we've got the 6 here that's by itself in a lighter blue, okay? So I can combine these like terms by combining the coefficients. So I've got a positive 3 and a positive 5, okay, which is 8x squared. I've got a positive 3 and a negative 2. Well, 3 minus 2 is positive 1x. And then there's nothing to combine the 6 with, so it just comes down, okay? So that's going to be the answer when I add or subtract these monomial expressions, all right? So let's look at B. All right, let's color code everything, all right? So we've got the x to the 5th terms in light blue. We've got the x to the 4th terms in purple. We've got the x squared terms in green, and then we've got the x term in black, okay? So the terms that are alike, I want to combine those. So I've got a 2x to the 5th and a negative 5x to the 5th, which combines to be negative 3x to the 5th. Okay, now I'm going to go to purple. 3x to the 4th and 8x to the 4th is 11x to the 4th. There's only one green term. There's only one x squared term, so bring it down. Nothing changes. There's only one x term, so I bring that down. And that's my answer. Now notice, I haven't talked yet. We recently went over standard form. Remember, the exponents have to be in decreasing order. So if you'll look at these answers for the first two, the exponents for the x are in decreasing order. All right. And finally, we've got a longer one here we want to deal with. I'm going to color code first. All right. So the x cubes are in green. The x squareds are in a blue. The x to the 4th are in red. The x is in purple, and the constant is black, okay? So when we're writing in standard form, remember that our largest exponent comes first, so x to the 4th in red is going to come first. Positive 1x to the 4th minus 3x to the 4th is negative 2x to the 4th, okay? In green next, x cubes. Combine those, we get positive 2x cubed. Our x squares come next. Combine those, we get positive 5x squared. X to the 1st comes next, so negative 2x, and then positive 5 comes next, and that's it, okay? So that's how you add or subtract monomials. You want to combine like terms. Remember, the exponents, when you combine those like terms, will not change, okay? So now use these 3 examples and then work on the practice problems down here at the bottom.